Gotta do some adjustment on my mirrors. It's alright. Pretty breezy today, little chilly. It's about 40 degrees out. Just feels good to be out riding again, taking a little cruise. I gotta get a pin lock visor. This guy just cut me off that quick. Seen me coming, he gonna cut me right off. What are these people doing this morning? What is going on out here? That's why you always gotta stay on point when you're riding. These people be bugging out. What the hell is going on? This bike. Ride starting off bad. Had my pet cot off. It's like, dang, what's going on? I'm getting cut off. Let me get right. Let me get right. Let me settle in. Before I end up having a fucking bad day out here. I keep hitting my horn now. Let me settle in. Let me settle in. Hopefully I'm not getting a lot of wind noise through this mic. I had to keep my visor cracked because it keeps fogging up. What are these people doing this morning? Oh my goodness, no signals, no nothing. Oh man, what is going on? People going over the lines? What is going on today? careful. Keep my eyes open. I might have to set these handlebars a little bit further back. I feel a little stretched out. But let me see. Come on, man, don't pull out. Man, it feels like I'm invisible today. Shit, that's what it feels like. Feels like I'm invisible. Shit, keep hitting the horn. Starting off kind of messed up. Well, at least this ride is starting off messed up. Maybe because I didn't have any breakfast today. Is that it? Maybe because I didn't have any breakfast? Even though it's cold out, I don't feel that chilly now since I have this fairing installed on this bike. I'm not catching a lot of wind no more. Readjust these handlebars. It's kind of stretched. Gotta pull them back a little bit. something with this switch. Well, this is what happens